de costa a costa y de pico a pico. Así se vive Puerto Rico. Así se vive Puerto Rico.
A sus posiciones originales.
We finally touched down in Puerto Rico. Our Airbnb wouldn't be ready till 3, so we decided to go to this pizza place that was right by our Airbnb. Honestly, I don't know what the plan is for the next couple of days. I'm just going to be chilling, having fun, enjoying. I haven't been to any beaches in so long, so I'm really excited to just like dive in. I know we're gonna do some snorkeling, which I'm really excited about. Fun fact, I do not know how to swim, but yeah, I'm very excited, very grateful to be here. I just know we're gonna have a great time. I'm back home. Yay! I'm back home. I'm tan. I'm like super tan now. You can't see it here, but like in my area, you know, you can see a clear difference. But I'm happy I'm tan. I had a good time. I had such a great time. I'm gonna use a chemical exfoliant on my skin after like almost a month because I feel like there's a lot of dead skin. I'm gonna use this Medicube Red Succinate Pad. I haven't used this in so long. I hope nothing bad happens. Truly. We got home really late last night. We got home around 11:30, and by the time, wait no, we landed at 8:30 and it took us an hour to get out from the airport, and then we had parked our car there. So anyway, and we had to go pick up Pepsi, so it took us a while to get home. I think we were home at like 10:30-ish. And by the time we were in bed, it was 11. But I had a really nice sleep, so that's good. My parents are also here. My mom is making bath downstairs because we haven't had like dal bhat tarkari in so long. It was such a fun trip. We were 8 people. It was me, my husband, my parents, my sister, her husband, and her husband's parents. So we were all a big family. We had an Airbnb rented out. I tried my best to vlog, but the thing is, when you're near water, and I was scared to take my DJI because I was going to be in water a lot. So there's sand everywhere. And I have a feeling I literally broke my Polaroid. I was so happy to get like Polaroid pictures, but I feel like sand got stuck in and now nothing comes out of it. So that's a bummer. Do you see that? Like literally, what is that? Get out. I'm craving like a good coffee. I'm gonna go get it later. Guys, I'm obsessed with the Dunkin' latte. It's so good. It's so good. It's very sweet, but it's so good. Not like the other stuff, just a plain old iced latte. I'm gonna get it later. I don't want to do too much. I'm just gonna put on my moisturizer and then my sunscreen and I'm good to go. I had filmed like everything, I vlogged everything, even for TikTok. But the thing is, because there's always people around, I didn't have like a good time to do a voiceover. So I haven't done a voiceover. And most of the times when I'm on vacation, I try to post real time. I know some people don't like that, but I like posting on real time. So now that I'm home, I'm like, do I even post? I'm not even there anymore. You know what I mean? But I think I'm gonna post because I did put a lot of effort into it. So yeah, Puerto Rico vlog is gonna be up on TikTok. I'm sure a lot of you guys follow me on TikTok. If you don't, the sunscreen is so nice. It's by Dr. Althea. It's the green tea fresh sunscreen. The packaging is so cute. You can like travel with it and stuff. I have a pimple right here. I'm literally so excited to eat like dal bhat tarkari. My mom was making like tama. त्यो हुन्छ नि सानो सानो tama. त्यो काँक्रो. Cannot wait. Yay! I'm gonna oil my hair later and I'm gonna take a good everything shower. I wanted a honey cinnamon iced latte, but then they made a honey matcha latte and I just didn't want to say anything, so I have a matcha, which is fine. It's good, but I wanted coffee. I'm really bad about like saying things like that. I'm just like, oh no, it's gonna be too much trouble. And I even got a bigger one because I was like, I'm gonna be chugging the damn coffee, but it's fine. It's all good. It's not the end of the world. I'm gonna go home and like do my errands now. I want to make a library card. My library card from my old library expired. And since we moved, I haven't made a library card. So, I brought my things. I'm going to listen. Like, I like listening to books. So, I think Libby is the way to go. Hi. Hi. I need to make a library card.
Awesome. So have you already done a temporary card?
Parking drama. Parking drama. Costco parking drama. Damn, what is she? Clear 14. Come down. Wow.